New Army Chief of India's Army brought new vision to Indian Army. A new painting adorning the Army Chief's lounge, where he greets visiting dignitaries, has been replaced with new painting. The new painting replaced the one showing the surrender of Pakistan's army during the 1971 Bangladesh War. Army sources said the new painting, Karam Kshetra, Field of Deeds, done by Lieutenant Colonel Thomas Jacob of the 28th Madras Regiment, portrays the army as a guardian of Dharma, fighting not merely as a defender of the nation but to uphold justice and protect the nation's values, and also captures the army's evolution into a technologically advanced, integrated force. It shows snow-capped mountains in the backdrop, with the Pangong Tso Lake in eastern Ladakh on the right, and Garuda and Krishna's chariot on the left, along with Chanakya and modern equipment such as tanks, all-terrain vehicles, infantry vehicles, patrol boats, indigenous light combat helicopters and Apache attack helicopters. The artwork conveys a nuanced message. While China may rely on Sun Tzu's art of war, India has its own rich military philosophy, exemplified by Chanakya's strategies and the teachings of the Gita, now bolstered by advanced technology. This change in the Army Chief's lounge is more than an aesthetic update. It reflects a decisive shift in India's military focus and priorities, emphasizing its readiness to counter emerging threats, particularly from China. This also shows that Pakistan is a secondary threat and India is now focusing on China. The combination of modern technology, ancient wisdom, and integrated force capabilities marks a new chapter for the Indian Army. For the Indian Army, every image carries a message, and this painting speaks volumes. It represents a move beyond past victories, looking instead toward future challenges, securing India's sovereignty, and asserting its strength on the global stage.